same thing in number 4 that I did in number 3. It's asking me to find the measure of angles 1 and 2 and then kind of explain the theorems I used in each case. So I'm going to start with 1 first, and I can see that 150 degrees and that angle 1, they're not both interior, they're not both exterior, so they would probably have to be corresponding, and let's kind of think about that. In the 150, in that case, it's in kind of like the top right corner, and that angle 1 is also in the top right corner of this box. So like in this box, it's in the top right corner, and then in this box, angle 1 is in the top right corner. So they're in the same position as each other, so those would be corresponding angles. And since I know that those two lines that the transversal is cutting through, since I know those are parallel, I can say that angle 1 is 150 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 is 150 degrees. And I know that because corresponding angles are congruent. So the corresponding theorem. Abbreviating theorem to THM. And then, whoops, the other one is asking me about angle 2. So I know that angle 2 and 150 degrees, that angle, those are both exterior angles, but they're on opposite sides of the transversal, so I would consider those alternate exterior angles. They're on opposite sides of the transversal and they're both exterior. So I know that since those lines in the middle are parallel, alternate exterior angles are congruent, so the measure of angle 2 would also be 150 degrees. And I used the alternate exterior angle theorem. Abbreviating just a little bit here.